Now we have the malicious app ready and we need to start the Metasploit handler to receive this shell access of victim's phone. Let's see how to do it. Type in MSF console to load the Metasploit framework. It will take a couple of seconds to load the framework successfully. And then we will see how to set up multi-handler to receive shell access of victim's phone once the victim successfully install the generated app on its phone and open the app. Metasploit has loaded successfully. Now let's see how to set up multi-handler. Use exploit multi-handler. Handler has been loaded. Now we will set the payload for handler. We will use the same payload which we had used while generating the payload. Also set the lhost option and provide the same IP address. We'll set up lport and provide the same IP address. In case you are using public IP address, you can provide in the public IP address here, and you also need to do the port forwarding in your router for the port specified here. Everything is set at this point of time and we need to start the handler. We will use exploit option for that and hit enter. As you can see, the reverse handler is listening on the IP address of this machine at port 4444 specified by you. At this point, the attacker is ready to receive the shell access of victim's phone. All we have to do is trick the victim into installing this app on his phone. Now let's see how to do it. One way is to directly send this APK file to the victim through email and ask him to install the new music APK, and he will do it. I will show you another way where you can host this APK file on an Apache server controlled by you, and you can provide the IP address or the URL from where victim can download the file. Let's go to the root desktop directory. Here you can see our music.apk file. Let's copy this APK file to the var www HTML directory, which is the Apache directory for hosting files. We have successfully copied the file. Let's take a look in the var directory. Here it is. Now we will start the Apache service. Now everything is set at this point of time. As I said before, for the sake of demonstration, I will be using Android emulator to showcase how the attack executes on victim's phone, which is in the same network. In the real world scenario, you will have to trick the victim into installing the app on the phone for this attack to work. Now let's see how it happens on victim's phone. This is the victim's phone. Now victim can access the IP address on which the file is being hosted. Here you can see the music.apk file is being hosted, and we will download the music.apk file, or the victim will download the music.apk file. You can trick the victim somehow to download this file and install it. I will leave this up to you on how to be creative and lure the victim. Let's download this file. Now the file has been downloaded. Let's go to the download section. And we have the music.apk file. We will install it. Next, install. And the app got installed. Now at this point, victim would like to play and open the app. So the moment he will open the app, he won't see anything. Will probably see the main activity screen or the GUI of the app. But at this point, you have successfully hacked into victim's phone, and you have the very rewarding Meterpreter shell open for you. This is a full-fledged Meterpreter shell through which you can access or perform any operation on victim's phone. Now let's see some of the operations available within Meterpreter. You can type in help and see the available options. There are multiple options. I will leave this up to you to explore all the different options you can perform. Variety of options, like you can download, you can create new directories, you can search, you can upload a file, and you can execute a command and can drop into a system command shell. I will show you some of the interesting command. As you can see, the operating system is 7.1.1. Now at this point, you might be interested in stealing user contacts of the victim. So you can use this option to dump contacts for that. You can steal call logs. You can also dump SMS from victim's phone. You can also check where the victim's phone is in location. You can use geolocate for that. You can record the mic. You can also get a picture of the victim from his phone. Can do webcam stream. Play a video stream from the specified webcam. Very powerful stuff here. Now let's see if I want to dump the call log of the victim. Let's use this command. No call log entries were found. Let's get to the victim's phone. Make a call. Nine eight. Now let's see again by dumping the call log. and one entry was found, and the call log was saved to this file, which you can find in the root directory. This is the file. We will do a cat. You can find all the information. This is victim's IP address, and the number on which the call was made is 989898. It was an outgoing call and stuffs like that. And you can see how powerful this MeterPreter shell is. And you can obtain almost any information from victim's phone. I hope you enjoyed watching this, and I will leave this up to you to explore the different options once you have the MeterPreter shell access of victim's phone.